Hey pals, what is happening? And in this video I will provide you with information on how to prepare the best substance for your seedlings when they are still very small, when they have, in addition to 2 cotyledon leaves, 2 genuine leaves like this. You observe this, huh? These are genuine leaves. This indicates that the root system has commenced expanding in size. Thus the seedlings now require fertilization to enhance their green color, not appearing so pale, in order to make them more abundant and broader. And this here is an organic fertilizer that I'm about to show you, which is perfect for the first feeding of seedlings. Particularly any seedlings, peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, it does not matter. The outcome will be outstanding. First and foremost, we are going to require a banana. He must be washed because bananas are treated for pests and diseases. We do not require it to be split, so we thoroughly wash it. Additionally, we will need a bottle with a capacity of 1 liter that is filled with water. We don't soak the whole banana, we only need the peel. We place the jar inside a bag and allow it to steep in a warm and dark location for a period of 1 day. And after 1 day, our grub is already prepared. And now I will demonstrate to you how to fertilize seedlings. I watered the previous day's seedlings to keep the soil moist. Don't use this fertilizer on dry soil. And then we scoop a full spoon. We take this fertilizer and pour it under 1 sprout. So as many sprouts as we have, that's the number of tablespoons we pour out. And within a day or 2, you will observe how the seedlings start to become greener and it will start to grow wider in size. And this division will be very beneficial for our seedlings because bananas contain starch, calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamins A, B, C, as well as nitrogen, phosphorus and iron. Even though there are not many of these micro and macro elements, that is precisely what we require at this moment for our young seedlings. It is best to use this fertilizer immediately after cooking and fertilize with such kindness. You have the capability to do it once every 14 days. Therefore, you have the option to utilize this fertilizer a few more times prior to transplanting the seedlings into cups or planting them in open ground. The main thing is to keep a gap of 14 days between feedings. And it's also better to alternate fertilization to provide the seedlings with a full range of nutrients. For other seedling fertilizers, I'll share more in upcoming videos. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Wishing you a successful day. See you in the next videos.